Welcome to Techverse, your ultimate hub for all things tech. Whether you're a gadget enthusiast or just love staying ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something truly revolutionary: Samsung's upcoming Galaxy G Fold, the world's first tri-fold smartphone. Yes, you heard that right. This phone folds 3 times, setting a new benchmark in foldable technology. Samsung has always been a pioneer in innovation, and with the Galaxy G Fold, they're taking things to a whole new level. This device is expected to launch in the third quarter of 2025, and it's already creating waves in the tech world. So, what makes the Galaxy G Fold so special? Let's break it down. Unlike traditional foldable phones that use an S-shaped folding mechanism, the Galaxy G Fold features a unique G-shaped folding design. This not only makes the device more durable but also ensures the screen remains safe from damage. When fully unfolded, you get a massive 9.69-inch OLED display, perfect for multitasking, streaming, or even working on the go. Fold it once, and it transforms into a more compact 6.54-inch screen, making it easy to carry and use. The display is 30% larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, offering an immersive experience like never before. Under the hood, the Galaxy G Fold is expected to pack a powerhouse of specs. It will likely feature either an Exynos or Snapdragon flagship chipset, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, productivity, and more. The camera setup is rumored to be a premium triple-lens system, perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos. And with a 5000 mAh+ battery and support for fast wired and wireless charging, you won't have to worry about running out of juice during your busy day. Samsung has been dominating the foldable market, and the Galaxy G Fold is set to continue that legacy. While the price is expected to be in the premium range, around 2.5 Indian rupees to 3 Indian rupees lakh, it's clear that this device is aimed at tech enthusiasts who want the very best. Plus, given Samsung's strong presence in the Indian market, it's highly likely that the Galaxy G Fold will be available here as well. That's all for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy G Fold. What do you think about this groundbreaking device? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Techverse, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.